Chemical properties of aromatic compounds or arenes. Before doing any chemical property, see, benzene have sigma bond as well as pi bonds. So we can say that they can give addition reactions. But in actual they resist. They resist addition reaction. Why? Because their 6 pi electrons are delocalized in nature. They provide extra stability. So addition reaction may not take place, and they prefer substitution reactions more. Substitution reaction. So number 1 is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction means benzene or aromatic compounds itself not easily oxidizable compound. They do not get oxidized via KMnO4, but their alkyl substituted aromatic compounds may get oxidized to their carboxylic acids. Right? Benzene or aromatic compounds not favorable with oxidation reaction, but their alkyl substituted may give reaction. Number 2 is combustion. You know that benzene is combustible liquid, burn with smoky flame, releasing CO2 and water. So benzene with 15 by 2 oxygen molecules gives 6 of CO2 and 3 water, and here delta H is negative. That means exothermic process releases large amount of heat. And third one is, before third one, combustion under controlled conditions. Under controlled conditions. So when benzene or aromatic compounds reacts with the oxygen in controlled condition, like in the presence of any catalyst etc., at a particular temperature, gives cis malic acid minus 2 CO2 is released, and also on heating again releases water molecule to give a malic anhydride. Malic anhydride. So this is the behavior of combustion under controlled condition. Next is addition reaction. Addition reaction can take place under some conditions, and benzene with, you can add hydrogen or halogen, nickel 5232573 Kelvin gives cyclohexane. Basically, benzene in normal condition resist addition reaction, but under specific condition they can do addition reaction as well. Next, you can add halogens also, like you have added Cl2 chlorine in presence of H mu, that is light or UV radiations. Then Cl will add at each corner like this. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexa chloro cyclohexane, or we can say that BHC, BHC means benzene hexachloride, or we can say that it is lindane or gamaxine or triple six. It can be used as a as an insecticide, right? So this is the BHC. Now the turn for ESR, like the fourth reaction, ESR forward halogenation. ESR means elect- electrophile substitution reactions. Now halogenation. When you add Cl2 to benzene with in presence of Lewis acid FeCl3, you will get chlorine at one position. In last case, chlorine is added to each corner and pi bonds are removed out. But here Cl will add at one position only and gives HCl. Again, if you add bromine in presence of FeBr3, you will get bromobenzene HBr. But if you add iodine, then reversible reaction may takes place, gives idobenzene plus Hi. This why this is a reversible reaction? Because Hi has strong reducing nature. Got it? To make this reaction irreversible, you may react iodine with benzene in presence of HiO3 or HNO3 or HgO to give idobenzene and Hi. So what will happen in this case? Produced Hi will react with the HiO3 if you add HiO3 to give water molecule and iodine. So if you add HNO3, then 2 moles of Hi will be used to give 2 moles of water and iodine plus 2 moles of NO2. And if you give Hi and HgO on reaction, gives water plus HgI2. So Hi will be used in this reaction, and the next reaction will be fifth number, nitration. Nitration means you have to add NO2 group using HNO3 in presence of H2SO4, gives benzene with NO2 group and water. And this HNO3 and H2SO4 mixture known as nitrating mixture. Number 6, sulfonation. Benzene with H2SO4 concentrated gives benzene with SO3H, benzene sulfonic acid. Mark, this is concentrated version. So seventh reaction, most famous reaction, Friedel Craft alkylation. The famous and most important reaction, Friedel Craft alkylation. Here benzene reacts with the alkyl halogen or haloalkane in presence of Lewis acid to give alkyl substituted benzene and HX. See, benzene plus CH3Cl in presence of FeCl3 gives toluene plus HCl. Similarly, if you add benzene with any other alkyl halide FeBr3 in presence of Lewis acid, you will get CH2CH3. This is ethyl benzene plus HCl. And next is number 8 reaction is Friedel Craft acylation. Also the most important one. Here you will add acyl group to the benzene. CH3COCl. This is ethanol chloride. In presence of FeCl3, that is a Lewis acid, this group will attach to the benzene ring like this. COCH3 plus HCl. Again, do this reaction with another example, CH3 CO CH3. This part will add benzene COCH3 plus CH3CO and H from the benzene where this is substituted. This group is substituted, removing hydrogen. So these are the chemical properties of aromatic compounds. And last, OP directors. What are OP directors? OP directors are ortho para directors. Ortho para directors are chlorine, bromine, iodine, methyl, ethyl, OH, OR, NHR, NH2. Means when they are attached like this, like chlorine, the second substituent will add according to the chlorine. Like if chlorine is attached prior to the second one, then the second, for example NO2, you have to add NO2. NO2 is the meta director, not the ortho para director. So it depends upon the chlorine or the prior one where NO2 will be attached to the benzene ring. So chlorine is basically ortho para director. So chlorine force NO2 to attach at ortho position and at para position as well. So ortho and para product, for if formed in a reaction, they form together, not singly. Next is meta director. NO2 COOCl COCHO COOH. These are meta director. For example, if a benzene have NO2 group already attached, then the second director, whether it is ortho para directing or meta directing, it will be decided by the NO2 who is attached prior to the second one. Here NO2 will decide the where the second substituent will be added to the substrate. So second will be added to the meta position to NO2. Like if you add chlorine or if you add CO, the CO keto group, the CO will add to meta position. This is the ortho position and this is also the ortho position. It is para position and here is meta position. So only one meta position here. The CO will attached here or chlorine will attached here. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.